Alright guys, Josh Tech Gamer back again with another tech video. I figured we'd do a different view, a different setup, different angles. Guys, let me know in the comments what you guys think and like. So I figured I got two packages today and I figured I'd do an unboxing on them. Now both of them are under 20 bucks, about $20 at least. I'll put that description below where you guys can check it out if you guys want to get these items. I do have two more items coming, so they will be here in a couple days. If you guys want to see that, let me know in the comments. Alright, so the first thing I did get, I got a gel case for my phone. I saw this and I was just like, you know what, I'm going to try it out because it's actually a navy blue. Wow. That is freaking cool. Now this is not as good and sturdy as a Tech 21 case, as you guys can kind of see. It's just a little flimsy thing for like $9, but actually 10 bucks or whatever. But I can see my phone, I can see the case. So I do have my phone right here. I figured we'd just take this off. I could also switch between cases, no big deal. Maybe when I'm not at work. So let's clean off the phone. And yeah, so you guys can see this is actually my phone that I'm actually using. So this is the phone I'm actually using right here. So let's try it out, see how it looks. Put it on. Wow, that looks really neat. Little bit of fingerprints on it, but just a little bit of swipe and you're actually good to go. Now it does have like that cool blue, as you guys can see. Look at that. I'll show you in the it does have that cool blue. That is really nice. I actually really like that. That's actually pretty neat. It is a little bit slimmer than the Tech 21 case, but it does have like a navy blue around it. It does feel like a little smaller in my hand, so it's not like super thick, kind of like the Tech 21 case, but it's more secure, so if you do drop this. So if you guys actually want to see your phone, this is actually the case. I might use this case like on the weekends. Let's check out the pop camera. Yeah, there it is right there. Pop camera, pop in, pop out. So wow, you can see a lot more of the display. I mean, look at that. This looks amazing. I like that. I like that a lot. Really nice. That is really cool because it does have a Nebula blue. So if you guys want to, and it has blue on the sides. It does pick up a lot of fingerprints. I don't know if you guys can kind of see the fingerprints right there. So that's actually pretty nice. I'm actually liking that because I could actually see the screen more. So I'm actually glad I purchased that. You know, that'll be something I'll probably just use on the weekends, like I said. Now, it's not super grippy as the Tech 21 case. It's not as super grippy as the Tech 21 case, but hey, this works. Maybe just use this. I like that. That's pretty neat. So alright, so the other thing I did get, I did buy a case for actually my camera that I'm using. I'm using the Lunix Panasonic G7, if you guys want to know. If you guys are new and everything. So we're going to do an unboxing on this. This was actually only $9. So I was like, heck yeah, why not, you know? I am receiving two more items, like I said. I will be getting something for the cell phone. Now, I did say the cell phone, it doesn't have a headphone jack, but you can plug it into the C port where you charge your phone. It comes with a little dongle. You have to buy that separate. So if you guys want to check it out, I'll put down the description below. I'll be getting that too. And I bought more batteries for my camera. So anyways, I bought this little case right here. Just to hold the camera and stuff, because I actually have I came with the backpack, but it's too big. That's only for traveling, but I wanted something smaller, so actually I can, you know, carry my camera in. Alright, so this is actually by Amazon. This is Amazon Basics, if you guys want to check this out in the description below. If you guys want to check this out, it's pretty cool. It should fit my camera. I don't see why not, because the camera is actually really small. way. It comes with a little carrying case, and it comes with this strap so you guys can use it. So just pretty basic, simple. Just put in your stuff to hold your camera, your batteries. It does have like little side pockets here, so I'm actually liking that. That's actually pretty nice. It's got side pockets on the side, so you can add your accessories, or it's got a little case you can just carry like that. Oh, and then it's got this little side thing, so you can put like maybe on your belt or something. So yeah, so something for the camera to hold it and protect it, because I actually don't have anything for the camera. I just set it on the side, or I leave it on my tripod, and I don't want it to fall over. So I'll be using this quite often and stuff. So this is by Amazon Choice. So they recommend this. It's only $9. So if you guys want to check out the items, I'll put it in the description below. I did get these on Amazon, and I got them within one day, like literally the next day. I do have 2 more packages coming, but they'll be here actually tomorrow, so maybe I'll do an unboxing. If you guys want to see that, let me know, because I want to do more unboxing videos. I do have another tech review coming about the keycaps I'm actually using on my keyboard, so I will be uploading that within next week. That'll be coming soon. So alright guys, that's about it. Before I go, it does pick up a lot of fingerprints. I just noticed that it's like fingerprint, so but a little quick swipe and you're pretty much good to go. So that is such a beautiful blue. I mean, I really can't get over it. And the phone is just super fast. That's about it, guys. Thanks for watching Josh Tech Gamer. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. I love doing these, and man, I am just like excited to edit in 4K now, officially upload it. There is a couple more settings I'm learning about the camera, so I'm still working on more tweaks. There is so much to learn on actually using a camera and switching from a cell phone to a actual camera. There's settings, lighting, everything, and focusing. So not looking at the screen, looking at the main screen, the main camera lens. So alright guys, thanks, and I'll check you guys later.